Hello, and welcome to the Mortgage Porter Weekly. I'm Rhonda Porter, mortgage advisor in the greater Seattle area. Thanks for joining me this week, April 20th, 2026. According to Optimal Blue Index, the average 30-year fixed rate as of last Friday, April 17th, came in at 6.187%. This is a slight improvement from the week before. A quick note on what this number actually means. The Optimal Blue Index captures roughly 35% of mortgage transactions nationwide. And so it's a useful snapshot of where rates are trending, but not the rate that you would actually lock in today. So your actual rate is going to depend on your credit score, loan to value ratio, loan type, and other factors to your situation. And they're also not based off of Friday. They're based off of what's currently going on in the market. So if you'd like a current rate based off of your personal financial scenario, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help you with that. It's a fairly quiet week on the economic calendar, but don't let that fool you. What's happening in the Middle East is likely to be a bigger market mover this week. Here's what's on the current schedule. We have on Tuesday, retail sales and pending home sales. Wednesday, a 20-year auction, a Thursday, jobless claims, and Friday, consumer sentiment. And looking ahead, the next FOMC rate decision is on April 29th. No change is expected to the federal funds rate at this meeting, and the scheduled data releases may take a back seat to headlines around the war in Iran and oil prices, which have been influencing bond markets and also mortgage rates. As I'm preparing this around 10:30 this morning Pacific time, mortgage-backed securities are down slightly. MBS prices move inversely to rates, so a dip in prices puts a little upward pressure on rates. There's nothing dramatic at this point, but we'll keep watching it as the week unfolds. If you've been holding off on buying a home because you thought you needed a large down payment, these programs are worth knowing about. There are 3 conventional loan programs that allow just 3% down. We have Home Ready, Home Possible, and Home One. And they've all gotten a bit better because recently these programs no longer are credit score sensitive as they used to be. So they're now more based off of your credit history instead of having an actual score that you need in order to qualify. And these programs also offer improved rates and reduced mortgage insurance. And so that can really make an impact with your mortgage payment. So if a low down payment conventional loan is on your radar, let's talk. I'd love to show you whether this works for you or not with your personal financial scenario. And our next homebuyer class is on Wednesday, April 29th at noon. I'm hosting a free virtual homebuyer workshop, so grab your lunch and get your laptop. This is all about what happens after your offer is accepted and the closing timeline and who's involved and mistakes that you might want to avoid and what closing day actually looks like. And so this is all going to take place in 60 minutes or less, and we will have a live Q&A as well. And this is the final class in my home buyer workshop series. And so I hope you can make it if you're thinking about buying a home or share this information with someone that you know who is. You can sign up on my blog at mortgageporter.com, or I'll put a link below. Thanks so much for watching. If you have questions about your specific situation, whether you're thinking about buying or refinancing, remodeling, or maybe a reverse mortgage, or just trying to understand what your options may be, I'm always happy to help. Take care, and I hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.